You wish to change locations with me?
This is only picture, bro.
Location.
And welcome, guys, to Bantayan Island, Philippines. The tropical paradise here just north of Cebu Island. And yeah, this is my view, guys. We have there a nice swing, a catito, a nice ladyto walking by, and of course the nice Philippine Sea behind. Look at this peacefulness. It's about 30 degrees Celsius here on the beach. The sea is warm, like 25, 28 degrees Celsius now. Beer is €3, 1 liter. That's €1.50 for half a pint. For a pint, yeah. My God, guys, what are you doing in Europe? You're crazy staying in this winter in Europe. Come to the Philippines. Really, guys? What the fuck? Let's do quick invites. Ooh, we something. You wish to change locations with me?
This is only picture, bro.
Where are you from, man?
Algeria.
This is not picture. It's real, see? Real.
Where are you?
Philippines. There's the cat. See? It's alive. It's not a
Yes,
picture.
real. I think the picture. Where are you from?
See, real people.
Yes, I believe. Where are you from?
I'm from Slovenia.
You are from Slovenia.
Yes.
I've been in Slovenia, bro.
Really? Where
Yes,
did you do that?
in Ljubljana.
Really?
Yes, my girlfriend. My girlfriend. She's from Ljubljana.
Okay. It's also my city. I'm also from there.
I am from Algeria. I live in France, in Paris. But my
No.
girlfriend, she's from Ljubljana.
Oh, okay. What's her name?
My name is Mohammed.
Mohammed. And her name?
Anya.
Anya. Okay.
Yes.
How do you like Slovenia?
Yeah, it's so beautiful country, bro. It's so good people. Everything. It's like Switzerland, Balkans.
Balkan, Switzerland.
Yes. Beautiful than Bosnia and Serbia and Crna Gora and Montenegro. Do you say? Yes. So, do you speak Slovenian language or Serbian language?
Yeah, I speak Slovenian. I speak Serbian. Yeah.
I can speak Serbian language because my girlfriend, she's from her mother from Serbia and her father from Bosnia, I think.
Okay.
And she teach me your language, Serbian, Balkan. Da, mogu da pričam balkanski jezik.
Speak.
You see? You believe me or not?
Kako se zoveš?
Ja sam Mohamed.
Dobro. Verujem ti. I believe you.
Kako si zoveš?
My name? Joe. Big Joe.
Slovenia. Lipa Država. Lipa Zamlija. Lipa Zamlija. Da.
Yeah. But at the moment it's too cold, so it's better to come to the Philippines in
Yes.
the winter.
Yes. Do you like Philippines?
The beautiful beaches. There to escape the cold of Europe, you know.
You don't like cold.
I don't like cold.
And how it is life there? It's not expensive.
Here's much cheaper, so I like that it's cheaper than Europe. That's why.
No, between Slovenia and France, so big difference, bro. Also, here
Oh yeah, France.
in Paris, so
Of course.
expensive too much. It's in Paris, expensive, not like Ljubljana. In Ljubljana, can you eat cevap, burak, only 10 euro. Here, 10 euro, it's nothing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Paris too expensive.
I miss Slovenia. I miss. You live Slovenia. Now
Yeah, most of my time,
you are
but
in.
in the winter I go away.
It's good. Yes.
I don't like snow and cold weather and yeah, grumpy people on the street, you know. It's better to live in a picture like this. As you said, it's a
Yeah.
picture.
Who? No. Before when you moved the phone, I think picture because I miss like the places like this. In my country, we have like this. In my city in Algeria, like this. But I leave my country before 7 or 8 years. I live in Europe, and in Paris we don't have no beach, nothing, only river.
Yeah.
Like Slovenia, if you want to see beach, you have to go to Cooper or Isola. Like I
Sure,
don't
sure.
know Isola. So, do you like travels?
Of course, I love travels.
Me too. How many countries do you visit?
Oh, I don't know, maybe 60, 70.
Ooh, bravo! Svaka čast, brati.
It's like a chest, yeah.
Me maximum, I think 10, 11, 12, maximum like this.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but Algeria, your architecture looks same like France, yeah? It's same as if I go to France, their architecture.
Yes, because we colonies from France 130 years.
Yeah. But I mean to say it look people in Europe they imagine African country, you know? And in African country the people imagine wooden huts and stuff like that. But I know Algeria, it's like same if you go to Nice or to Paris, France, you know, same buildings like
Yes,
Baroque
yes.
style and stuff.
Yeah, same Morocco style, Tunisia style, same. No, some people is like stupid, don't know nothing about others country. If you ask Africa, everyone think Africa, oh, it's black people, it's poor people, it's like this, you know. But if you visit Africa, you have to visit South Africa. You will see, I don't know, Seychelles, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Egypt. Not like what people think about Africa.
I know.
Yes. Same here, bro. Here in Europe, in Italy, Switzerland, Germany, France, Spanish. Thinking about Balkan, it's like a forest, like I don't know, but don't know about culture. Balkan. It was the strong country in the world, times Yugoslavia, and the first tramway in Europe, in Sarajevo, Bosnia. Uh, People don't know nothing about others culture, about others country. You have to visit, you have to see
I know.
by
I
your
understand.
eyes.
Yeah, you have to visit by yourself. Yeah, true, true, true.
Yes, yes. It's like Slovenia don't miss nothing. Can you live in Slovenia like here, like everywhere? Can you find a job? Can you find everything? But
Well, if you
the
try, like,
problem, Balkan people too much coming here to Europe. Same African people coming to Europe. South America coming to Europe. Like this Europe, I don't know, like paradise. And
yeah, but
here
it's
it's
not.
so
You
hard.
and I both know it's not a paradise.
Yes, but it's so hard. Life here, it's so hard. You have to work all day to get little
I
money
know.
for rent a house, for food. You can't help yourself.
True.
You have to do some business. Believe me, I like this place. Allah, I like this place. Philippines.
Okay, thank you, man. So thank you for joining my
Yeah.
channel. We are ending this live today because we have to go eat something for lunch now. But yeah, it was nice to
Okay.
meet you,
Okay.
Ahmed. And I hope you visit Slovenia
Nice to meet you.
again. Yeah.
Inshallah, ako Bog da, posle Ramazan.
Dobar si, dobar. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you on the next one, guys.